Good Sunday afternoon. I am out in a beautiful Wallingford, Seattle neighborhood today with real estate broker Ryan Briere with American Classic Homes Real Estate. This is the second time we've been to an open at this property, and the last time about 70 people came through. So you might want to come check it out if you're shopping for a home in this area before it's gone. This home has 3 beds, 2 baths, and is 1,660 square feet. We are here at 107 Northeast 54th Street in Seattle, showing you some fancy financing options and the potential to get your appraisal paid by us from 12 to 2:30 today. So even if you aren't shopping and you just happen to be in the area, come on by and give me a hug. Now, let me show you why everyone is so excited about this property. Let's go.